maybe you're hitting 40 to 50K a month, but behind the scenes, things are breaking down. Hi, my name is Anubhav Verma, Associate Business Analyst at ADA IT Solutions, and I'm going to talk about the top 3 API integrations for your Shopify store. You don't want to miss it. Let's start. You ever hit that weird ceiling on Shopify? Like you got traffic, ads are clicking, maybe you're hitting 40 to 50K a month, but behind the scenes, things are breaking down. Orders slip through the cracks, emails don't send, and your team is drowning in spreadsheets. You're scaling, but it feels like you're taping a rocket together mid-flight. Here's the fix most founders miss: KPIs. Right ones won't just optimize things, they'll unblock a new level of growth, meaning more revenue, less chaos, and more sleep. So let's get into top 3 API integrations that actually move the needle for the real Shopify brands. Why APIs matter: manual drudgery versus growth mode. It's a powerful contrast between wasting hours of repetitive tasks that won't grow your business versus automating those tasks using APIs so that you can focus more on strategy, scaling, and innovation. Let me explain you with a quick story. Mike and Amy both run Shopify stores. Mike spends hours of everyday work exporting orders, sending emails, updating inventory, and printing labels. By the end of the day, he is exhausted. While on the other side, Amy, she sets up few APIs. Orders sync automatically, emails go on autopilot, shipping is hands-free. While Mike's stuck in manual drudgery, Amy's scaling her business. That's the power of APIs. Work smarter, not harder. So you see, that's the difference. API is just not the tech, it's the growth levers. If you like the story, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and like the video. Now we'll talk about the top 3 API integrations, starting with Klaviyo. Klaviyo is a powerful email and SMS marketing platform specially built for email. ShipStation cut my clients' fulfillment time by 40%. That means fewer mistakes, faster shipping, and happier customers. Most people forget that checkout isn't the end. It's actually the beginning of repeat revenue. The third integration is a hidden gem: ReConvert. It helps merchants customize the post-purchase experience, mainly by converting the thank you page into a upselling and a customer retention tool. My test store made an extra $400 a week just by offering 10% upsell at checkout. No ads, no efforts, just ReConvert. So let's recap all the 3 tools which can help your Shopify store in the real world. Klaviyo: turn visitors into lifelong customers with automatic email and SMS. ShipStation: save time and money by streamlining your shipping. ReConvert: boost AOV with post-purchase upsells and smarter thank you pages. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Shopify growth tips, and let me know in the comments what tool are you using to scale your store. If you are into future-ready tech, make sure to check out our last video, how edge computing is powering the future of smart cities. Click the link in the description below to watch it after this one. Thanks for watching and keep building.